One look and you'll know, the OPTIMA battery stands out from the crowd. But OPTIMA doesn't just look different, it performs like no other battery. Let's take a quick look inside to find out what drives OPTIMA's incredible performance. There are 3 important reasons why OPTIMA performs like no other battery. 1. The extreme purity of the lead used to create it. 2. A design based on one of the strongest, most efficient shapes known to man, the cylinder. 3. A case that is structurally strong and completely sealed to withstand rough handling and harsh environments. OPTIMA's components are made of 99.99% pure lead. Without impurities to get in the way, OPTIMA conducts electricity faster. It's kind of like the difference between a kitchen faucet and a fire hydrant. With electricity flowing faster through OPTIMA, you get a much higher burst of starting power. Now, if you're trying to fill your pool, that fire hydrant would come in handy. In the same way, faster electricity flow in OPTIMA's pure lead lets it recharge faster. Plus, it holds its voltage longer as it discharges. This unique discharge curve means that when you have high power demands, OPTIMA maintains full power longer than a conventional battery. OPTIMA's pure lead material is only the beginning. How that lead is built into the battery is just as important. Each of OPTIMA's 6 cells uses 2 long lead plates separated by fibrous glass mats to hold the acid in place. These are wound together into a precisely compressed spiral cell and inserted into OPTIMA's case. This spiral cell design naturally has more active electrode surface area than a conventional battery. And with that perfectly uniform layer of separation between the plates, it gives you more power per pound. When each cylinder is inserted precisely into place, the result is an internal structural advantage that helps the cell hold its shape, even under varying harsh conditions. After all, a cylinder is a stronger and more efficient shape, used by both natural and man-made objects when strength and efficiency are vital. Using precision plastic welding techniques, the case is then completely sealed, forming a one-piece airtight package. The result? No leaks. No engine compartment contaminants. No maintenance. So make sure you recommend OPTIMA. Designed for better performance, longer life, and true zero maintenance.